All right, number 6, we want to graph the solution set and express the set in interval notation. So this is the set P where P is greater than -6. So if you have an inequality or expression and the variable is on the left, this inequality is like an arrowhead. It will point you in the right direction. So because the inequality symbol does not have an equal to, that means our endpoint is going to be a parenthesis. So we're going to do a left parenthesis on 6. And then we're going to do a line segment starting from 6 and going to the right because it says greater than. So here is our solution graphed on the number line. And then in interval notation, this -6 is on the left in parentheses. And then this arrow goes all the way to the right and it keeps going forever to positive infinity. And infinity is always in parentheses. All right, number 7, similar, we're going to graph this on the number line and express it in interval notation. This time y is less than -5/3. All right, so this time we're going to be going to the left. So first I'm going to find -5/3, which is 1 2/3. Okay, so open parentheses on -1 2/3, so here, and then number line segment is going to be going to the left, arrowhead pointing to the left. When we do our solutions, we always go from smallest to largest, so this left end, left to right, is going toward -infinity. Again, infinity is always in parentheses, so I'm going to do the -infinity. And this is going to come all the way up to -5/3. All right, that's good. And then number 8. So this is a compound inequality. So we're going to be between the two numbers, -2.9 and +0.9. So W is in between these two. So with the inequality symbol having less than or equal to, that means we're going to use a bracket. So I'm going to go to the leftmost number, which is -2.9, just before 3. And then the rightmost number, since the inequality does not have a equal to line, is going to be in parentheses. So we're going to go to 0.9 and put a parenthesis, and then our line segment will just be between those 2 points. It doesn't like it. Could just be because I don't have the tick marks in the right spot. Yeah, this is at 1.9. Sorry. Let's try that again. Left bracket, -2, and then the rightmost parenthesis should be over here. I had it at 1.9. Okay, that should be good. No, it doesn't like it, so +0.9. Oh, I'm over at 1. I've got to be very careful. So take this one and put it right in front of the 1. All right, that should be good. Okay. Just got to be careful. Very hard to kind of read these small tick marks. All right, and then if we do it in interval notation, similar to what we've done before, the leftmost point, this time it's in a bracket, so I'm looking for the one that's a bracket and then a parenthesis. That'll be this fourth option. So I'm going to put the -2.9 here, and then the 0.9 in the rightmost closure, which is a parenthesis.